In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect the LeadConnector app to the Stripe S700 as well as to the BBPOS WisePOS E device. Stripe internet readers like these are standalone hardware devices that are able to connect to your CRM apps. So you could use your phone or your tablet and connect it to the local Wi-Fi and collect payments just like that. And because all the devices are connected via the internet, every tap, swipe, or insert flows directly through Stripe's PCA certified infrastructure for end-to-end encryption. If you have a really busy shop and people are already queuing, this will help you to collect payments a lot faster and get people through the queues fast. You can connect unlimited devices. For example, for the front desk, you would register one, for the second desk on the side, for the third desk more further down behind the shops, and so on and so forth. The reporting goes straight into the CRM, so you always have all the transactions registered, which makes it very simple to have unified reporting. In order to use those two devices connected to our mobile app on your iPad or phone, may this be iPhone or Android, you want to make sure that you have Stripe installed in the desktop version inside of your CRM login. So to make sure whether or not you have Stripe integrated already, click on Payments on the left, click on Integrations at the top, and then here you see under the default payment processor in this location, Stripe is connected, because here you can see the Manage button. If Stripe wouldn't be connected yet, you would see a Connect button. So if you see the Connect button, just click the Connect button and follow the wizard from there. Also, please make sure that you have the latest updates from the mobile or iPad version installed onto your device to make this work. So let me show you how you can connect this via your phone first, then we move on to the iPad. So make sure that you're logged into the right location inside of your app. Then click on Settings at the top, scroll down, and here you can see Stripe Payment Hardware. Click on that, and then you want to turn on your device, your hardware device, and make sure that this is connected to the internet, to the same internet than your mobile phone or your iPad. Then you want to click on Pair New Device. Then you click on Internet Readers. Then you name your terminal, for example, Front Desk. And then you would need to add the pairing code, which will show up on your hardware device. So there will be a code popping up. You take that code and you type it in here, and then you just hit pair. And if you would do this on an iPad or on a tablet, it would look exactly the same. You would go to Settings, you would look for the hardware devices, the Stripe Payments devices. Then under your devices, you can see all the connected devices. However, if you want to pair a new one, because remember, you can connect unlimited, then just click on Pair a New Hardware Device. Then select Internet Readers. Same thing as on the mobile, name your terminal, maybe just put the name of the staff who's handling that particular device, and then type the terminal pairing code, which you will again see on the hardware device showing up once you've connected the hardware device as well as the iPad or tablet through the same Wi-Fi internet connection. Then once the device is paired, you will see the green tick showing up, BBPOS Wise Front Desk paired successfully. Now you can see in this example, there's 4 different devices connected. If you wanted to disconnect, you just click the red button, disconnect. Then if you wanted to collect a payment, for example, a $100 bill, you just select the device. Which one do you want to use? For example, the front desk or the front desk number 2. Then present the reader to the customer so they can tap their card. You click on that device, and then once it's processing, it shows you the little circle payment being processed. Remember, you don't need Bluetooth to use these devices and the payment processor from your mobile apps. The only thing you need is Wi-Fi. Customers also can leave tips. Enable prompt for tip under POS settings and then click gratuity. You can also process refunds via the web app. The refund flow is identical to online Stripe charges. Once the internet connection drops, you won't be able to collect payments, so please revert back to cash or cards on file. I hope you like this feature, and I will see you in the next video.